Welcome to What's in the Pot. I'm your host, Sean Grande, and today we're doing some hot honey garlic wings on the Traeger. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. It's What's in the Pot. Thank you very much for tuning into What's in the Pot. So I know what you're wondering right off the bat, why are you only cooking 7 wings? Now I'm only using 7 wings because this is really just about the technique on how I do my wings on the Traeger and how I do my hot and honey wings. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start seasoning the wings up with this Traeger pork and poultry rub. It has a nice sweet and savory flavor. It's actually really good on ribs as well. So make sure you coat all your wings into this dry rub and let that marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour, and you can add a little bit more dry rub right towards the end. Now I have my grill preheating to 350 degrees. Now for our hot honey sauce, we're adding some butter, we're adding some garlic. Just let that saute up for a few minutes. Then we're gonna add our hot honey. I'm using Mike's hot honey. I forgot to show it in the video. And I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and also I added about 2 tablespoons of the hot honey. Add a little bit of ketchup, maybe about a tablespoon. Then we're gonna go ahead and let that saute, and that is our sauce for our wings. Look how beautiful that looks. The grill, like I said, is set to 350 degrees. We're gonna put these on the grill and let them cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and flip them. 15 minutes later, so let's go ahead and flip these wings. We're gonna let them cook for another 15 minutes. Now the wood I'm using actually for this is the Traeger cherry pellets. I like the flavor cherry pellets gives for chicken, so I like using them. You can use any kind of pellets you like. Now let's go ahead and let that cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is our final product. Look how beautiful all that dry rub soaked into the wings. Now we're gonna go ahead and sauce these up. So now add your wings to the bowl. You can actually just throw them into the pot with all the sauce, but I like to add to the bowl and then just coat the wings with our sauce, give it a good mix, and there it is. There is our wings coated in that nice hot honey garlic sauce. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on TikTok at What's in DEPOT, and also on Instagram and Twitter. Till next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Peace.